Hi everybody, just wanted to do a quick video and show you the proper way to install a fixed orifice tube. And right here we have the line disconnected from the condenser, and this is where the orifice tube goes. So I have the tube right here, and as you know, refrigerant flows out of the condenser and comes along here, and then it goes out this way. So when you go to put an orifice tube in, you want to make sure it goes like this and not like that, because you can see how big the screen is on the right side of that green O-ring compared to on the left side of the green O-ring. So that filter screen on the right is what's being used to capture any debris that could be in the system. So when you go to put it in, this is the way you do it. Now, one other tip, if you see here on the end, there's these little plastic nubs, and the reason that they're there is so that when the tube is installed, you'll be able to get your removal tool up onto the orifice tube and then grab a hold of it, and then you can pull it out without damaging it. So, hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you have any questions, any comments, post them below, and thanks for watching.